My baby. Wow, baby. They get money. They don't get money. They never show. They don't. They never. Money to you. Very good. Hey, they want to know. Yes, sir. Mechanic business. Look at the way. Sir, when you want a Latvian, when you want a Latvian. Hey, sir, I'm a mechanic, sir. Sir, my phone. My friend, keep quiet. Let me see your phone. Sir, my phone. Now, down, kneel down. Go down. Sit down. Sir, I said go down. Go down. I said go down. You go down. I don't have a phone, sir. No, I have a phone. Sir, sir, let me have phone, man. What is your problem? It's nobody's thing. Nobody for one. How you complain about? Sir, my friend, stand up. Stand up. Take it. Stand up. Stand up. Say you go for
save the life of innocent people.
I said, come here. Take care of her. Ross, give him my friend. The other one. Okay. Will you keep quiet?
Keep quiet there!
Hey, my friend. Comply.
The phone on low.
It's very wrong. Because a girlfriend, when you get picture of way. Privacy.
You have the right to remain silent.
What are you exposing?
Mr. Mawa, calm down. What are you lesbian with your body? Anybody who wanted to be able to tell me how we are.
You're naked. I'll help you naked. You should try to help me. Give me the key. Officer, I don't think give me the key. Give me the key. Give me the key. Okay, what did happen now? Follow. Move. I don't know. You never ask me question. Better give me my key. I said it. Why are you enjoying? Excuse me. I have been working the police for 1.5 years. If Can I see your phone?
All of
you go down, go down. I'm done now. Go down, take this one. Go down. No, you want to teach me my work, Abi? I'm Robert. Chief. No, let me have the phone. You are a prisoner. Wow. My phone and my property. Hey, wait, let me give you. Officer.
They don't kill me. They don't kill.
You don't too much.
Some guys don't get friends, some boys don't get girlfriend again. Talking to
Stop killing a brother and police brutality. Say save the life of innocent people. Ooh, answers. Stop killing our brothers. Stop killing innocent people. So end police brutality. Oh, stop killing our brothers.
Tell me for the constitution where it is. See if it's friends in the crime. If it's a weird but that shot that crime. If it's a carry drug that crime. If it's a carry iPhone that crime. When I put bullets over the head. Killer. You would stop. Stop killing our young men. If we kill all of them, we don't want to marry. Who want to marry? Your papa don't want to marry. Your papa want to marry.
What can you do when you have the gun? At the moment you are sick or what, just to put a bullet into the air. Everybody will disperse. You have the gun. Okay, but that's your go sick away. Fear. Fear, then you call me. Then I'll cover it up.
Stop killing our brothers and police brutality. Say answers. Save the life of innocent people. Ooh, answers.